give out my free legal advice to the first 14 callers in getting answers to your immigration questions. Let's go to Eugene in Bowie, Maryland.
Okay.
Hi, Eugene.
Hello? Yeah, I got you.
Eugene, I got you in Bowie, Maryland. What's going on? Eugene.
Hello?
Eugene.
Yeah, this is Eugene. Yes, this is Eugene. Hello,
Yeah.
sir?
Yeah, hi. By the way, Eugene, hold on one second. Bridget Mullings, I understand a marriage certificate helps make up points, but you still have to verify that you're a resident or a citizen most of the time to get a license. You just can't just show up and say, I'm out of status, but here's my points. So that's my concern. Eugene in Bowie, Maryland, what's going on?
Okay. Hi, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I have two problems, sir.
What's the problem?
Yeah, the first question is, after, let's say I'm about to get my asylum. So after, let's say if I'm an asylee, and at some point while I was working in the United States, my employment authorization got expired, so I worked without authorization for like 2 months. Will I be eligible to adjust my status as an asylee?
Yes.
Or can I get a waiver?
You don't need a waiver. You can just adjust.
With the 2 months unauthorized?
Correct.
Okay. So the second one, sir, is the second question is, can I adjust my status under without I'm on removal proceedings? I came to United States through the southern border, applied for admission, and I was paroled into United States. Can I adjust my status after getting married to a U.S. Green card holder?
It depends if you were paroled into the United States or you had entered and then applied for asylum. So it depends on how you entered and how they have you listed as an entry.
Let's say I entered in the United States after being detained. I applied after being.
In other words, if you were admitted and then applied for asylum, it's different than if you just showed up at the border and applied for asylum.
Okay, I showed up at the border. I expressed fear.
Right. Okay, so then yes, so that would make you eligible to file for an adjustment married to a U.S. citizen.
Okay. So even that means I just need to, if I get my asylum even with the unauthorized employment for 2 months, I can apply for green card directly.
Correct.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Let's go to Bimal in Orange County, California.
Hi, Brad.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. What's going on?
So I came on F1 visa on January of 2015.
Right.
And then I went to school till May of 2015. After that, I stopped going to school.
Okay.
And then later I came to know that my savings got expired on September of same year. So after that, my country got TPS designation, and then I applied for TPS.
Where are you from?
And then got approved. Sorry?
Where are you from?
Nepal.
Okay.
And then my TPS got approved. So between my savings expiration and then my TPS application receipt date, there is a 10 days lag. So that means 10 days overstay or something. So while on TPS, I married to a green card holder, and then applied I-130, and then got approved, and then also applied I-485 after that, then I recently...
Yeah, you probably not, they're going to tell you, they're most likely going to, based on what you're telling me, they're going to deny your adjustment.
I'm sorry?
They're going to deny your adjustment, I would think.
Oh, so there's no way of...
Your wife would have to become a citizen. You were out of status for some period of time.
Yeah, maybe for a week or 10 days.
Even if you were out of status for a second.
Okay,
right,
And then I have another question. So what if it gets
now
denied?
if you gets denied, you fall back to TPS, so don't worry about it. But what has to happen is your wife has to become a citizen, and then it doesn't matter if you fell out of status for those 10 days.
Oh, okay, so I will go back to my TPS again, right? If I
Correct.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go to Sage in Kansas. Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Good. How are you?
Good.
Thank you for your time, actually. And I came to the U.S. in 2016 and I applied for asylum.
Right.
And I was granted in 2018 and got my green card in July 2019.
Okay.
So my question is, I want to marry my girlfriend in December 2021.
Okay.
So she's in Ethiopia. So will that be a problem?
Is that where you got your asylum from? Are you originally from Ethiopia?
Yeah.
Well, you would have to marry her in a third country. Can she make it to a third country?
Oh, so...
Yeah, because if you go back to Ethiopia, there's always the possibility that they say, wait a second, you were scared to go to Ethiopia, you got a green card for asylum, and now 2 years later, a year later, you're applying, going back to Ethiopia to get married, to apply for your girlfriend and future wife. How scared were you to go back to Ethiopia?
So, do I need to wait until I become citizen, which is 2023?
Why can't you meet in a third country?
She wants it there, in Ethiopia.
Can't have it all. Then wait till you're a citizen.
Do I?
Then wait till you're a citizen. You can't have it all.
Okay.
All right? Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.